Have you ever wanted to make money online, but you didn't want to show your face or you didn't know how to get started? Well, I'm going to show you in today's video how you can start making money online with TikTok. And now you're probably thinking TikTok, you definitely have to show your face, but you really don't have to show your face and nobody even really has to know who you are. And the best way to do that is through affiliate marketing. So anybody that is new here, the first thing I need you to do is hit subscribe, smash that like button, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with the product, software, or program and you promote it to an audience that is likely to purchase that product. So all you have to do is market it. And then ultimately, if they purchase that product through your recommendation, you will get a commission, which will be a percentage of the sales price. So it's a really hands-off business model. And now you're, like I said, you're probably wondering, well, how can I do this without being on camera, or if I have no technical skills, I've never done it before. And I'm going to show you how you can do that if you just stick with me for a few minutes in this video. And as you can see, I have TikTok open up on my computer right now. For those of you who don't know what TikTok is, it's one of the fastest growing social platforms. So it's just like hypothetically Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or something like that, but it allows you to do short video clips, 15 seconds upwards of a maximum of 1 minute. And there's over 500 million active users monthly or on TikTok. It may be daily. So don't quote me on those stats. I would have to pull them up. But there is a lot of active users on TikTok at the current moment, and it's the fastest growing social platform out right now. So you can get relatively a lot of views. In fact, let's just jump over here on my computer, look at my analytics, and you can see video views for me in just the past 7 days have almost neared 5 million views. That's a lot of eyes on my account or on videos that I've published. And everybody has the same potential to reach those many people because it's a new platform to get an audience or to get traffic. So how you now, again, let's go ahead and get into the content, because you're probably like, well, how am I going to make money with this? Again, it's going to be through affiliate partners. And so let's jump into my phone. So as you can see here, we're in my TikTok account, and we're going to be on here because you can't really search on the computer. So let's go right here and go to Discover. I'm going to type in an account I'm aware of, and it's this account right here. As you can see, they have 2.2 million followers. And let's just take a look at their store. As you see, there's really no faces. I know maybe they do show up in some of them, but for the most part, they're not in the videos. You could hear, let's click a video right now.
TikTok find I can't live without. I am not kidding when I say I use my BrewMate every single day, and if you guys have not tried these, you are seriously missing out. They are insulated holders that keep your canned drinks cold for hours and hours. This is the slim one, which is my favorite. It holds all slim 12-ounce cans like your Red Bull or your White Claw. It is the best. And then this is my next favorite. It's called the Trio, and it holds 16-ounce cans, and then it has this little insert that you can put on the bottom so that it can hold a regular 12-ounce soda can. I love to use mine while I'm working or just out and about to keep my drinks ice cold so I can sip on it all day long. They also have one called the Wine-Sulator that holds a full bottle of wine, or you can use it for another beverage. So it's perfect for wine lovers. They also have these matching tumblers that are really pretty. They come in a bunch of colors. You can buy them separately or in a set, and they are perfect for holiday gifts. And you can use these for your hot drinks like your coffee or hot chocolate, so it's great for the winter time. They seriously have something for every drink lover, so I would stock up for the holidays.
So as you saw, it said link in bio to purchase this product or whatever at the end of the video. So let's go back to our bio and scroll up. As you see here, I'm at the top of the bio. I'm going to click this link. It's a Linktree account. These are free accounts that you can make on Linktree. And then let's take a look. You see right here, it says Amazon storefront or TikTok products. Either one, they're the same. One's just the storefront, one's TikTok products. And as you can see here, it's her category. It's an Amazon store with products that she talks about, all of our finds as shown on TikTok. And then you can just scroll through it. If she talked about it on TikTok, it is more than likely on this page. If somebody clicks that link in her bio, they come to this page and they find the product that she was talking about and they want to purchase it, she will receive a commission or a percentage of the sales price. And even if they buy more than one product, she's going to receive multiple commissions. So if they just scroll through here, and as you see, let's just click any random product. Let's click this salad chopper or whatever it is, salad spinner. And you see it brings them to their Amazon page, a regular Amazon page. So they're shopping with Amazon. They trust Amazon, ships from and sold by Amazon. So this is a real business, and they can literally add a cart or buy it now. And as most people know, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform there is. It constitutes for over 50% of online sales. So a lot of people have Amazon Prime accounts. They can literally hit buy now and immediately purchase this product. And whoever it was that recorded this video, I didn't see them. Their name wasn't even on the page. It was a completely niche page, silent of the person. I don't know who they are, and they will receive a commission if the sale goes through. Now let's dive back into the computer now, and I'll show you what they did. So they created a page based around products that they find on Amazon, and then they just talk about them. So how are they getting a commission? So let's go over to Google here, and let's type Amazon Associates, or even affiliate program, same thing. Amazon's affiliate program, it's going to show you Amazon.com Associate Central. Just click that link, and then recommend products earn commissions. As you can see here, the first step is to sign up. Second step is to recommend products. I just showed you how you're going to recommend those and get the most traffic without having to spend any money on advertisements. TikTok is totally free. You create a free account, you post some content, you review some products, you just talk about them, and you can earn up to a 10% commission for qualifying purchases. That's dependent on the program. So let's just sign up. I'm going to open this in the incognito window just in case it already logs me in. Yeah, just so I don't have to log in my account. And then as you see here, it's going to say sign in if you already have an Amazon account, or if you're new to Amazon, you will create an Amazon account, and then you'll just go through the steps. Your name, your email, password, re-enter password. You'll hit continue, and then it will continue for the application where they start asking you a few questions to become an Amazon affiliate. Once you get into there and you get a product to promote, they will provide you a website URL just like this. It'll be custom to you though in your dashboard, and you'll literally just copy it and you'll paste it into your, you can make a link tree. So look, go to link tree. Actually, let me open this in another incognito window. So here we are, link tree like that, linktr.ee. Get started for free. It's completely free. You just sign up. They have a pro plan. You don't need it. See if you hit pricing. You don't need the pro plan. It's only $6 a month. It gives you a couple other things like link leaps, link scheduling, stuff like this, but unlimited links are completely free. So I say just get a free account. Post your affiliate links inside of the Linktree account. So another thing I wanted to show you real quick is to come up with a page name for your page or your niche. I recommend going to a website called Namelix, and this is a business name generator. You'll just, because you'll want to create a TikTok page, I would do something like trending, like the keyword's going to be trending. I'm going to hit generate. It's going to say brand keyword trending, name length. You could have short names, medium names, long names, whatever your preference is. You can check them all. Name styles, brandable for and misspellings. We'll just go brandable for the purpose of this video, and we'll click generate. This will give you some ideas in case you're having a hard time thinking of stuff like Trendistry, trending social, trending, Strenco trend list, trendy pio, whatever, just different thing you see. Obviously it gives you ideas that you probably Trendemic, trendy metrics, Trendexa, trendies, trendable, trend wide. So a lot of stuff, like I said, it was just, obviously I put the word trend, but OutLogic, there's all kinds of words. Just you find something that may be relevant to whatever you want to promote. And then I also want to show you, you don't have to stay with Amazon. Oh, let's go back into my phone. Oh, no, let's not go back to my phone. I already showed you how the link tree was set up, and it went to, she put the Amazon store and it had a storefront. You could have the storefront for your Amazon account. So another thing I want to show you though is if you don't have Amazon, or you don't want to do Amazon and you want to do, like say you want to do electronics or something, you could go to Best Buy. You could literally go to almost any website you think of. And if you scroll to the bottom of every website, you see right here where it says partnerships, it says affiliate program. You click affiliate program. Why becoming a Best Buy affiliate? You earn money, they're a trusted brand. Joining is free and easy. So you can do this absolutely free. You sign up, and then you can promote products like electronics if you want to do the electronic niche. And you can do this anywhere, guys. Like you could literally go to Target. You could go to, if you're into, like scroll to the bottom of Target. Are we at the bottom? And that says more. And then scroll through in here and it says affiliates. literally almost every website you could even possibly think of, you could go to. So I hope, let's just recap real quick. You're going to want to create a TikTok account. You're going to want to create a Linktree account. You're going to want to come up with a business name and pick your niche. And then you're going to want to create links or generate affiliate links for the products that you choose to promote. Place them in your Linktree account. Post them on your TikTok. And then from there, your TikTok, you want to create content. You don't have to be in the videos. I proved that to you in the video we watched. And then you post it, and if it gets views and people migrate over to your link in your bio, because you put it in your TikTok bio, and when people migrate to it and they start to purchase products, you will receive a commission, and it will be in your dashboard for your Amazon. Amazon has their own dashboard. Once you're logged in, like your whole customer management, your management system, all your commissions and stuff will be stored there. They're not going to disappear, and then you'll transfer them to your bank account based off of the criteria for whatever program you partner with. So I hope that really helped you. If you got value out of this video, please subscribe. Please smash that like button for me as always. I thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.